So yun, today is pupunta ako sa Mandaluyong sa 123 Block para manood ng gig ng Autotelic Suit over October 30 Century Visor. So yun na. So mag-withdraw na ako. So yun, sabi ko mag-withdraw muna ako ng pera, but turns out hindi pala makakapag... wala naman yung ATM malapit sa amin. So I guess Mandaluyong na ako, or if meron sa Buendia, then good thing if may makita akong ATM na pwedeng pag-withdrawhan. Pero hindi pa naman ako nagmamadali since maaga pa. Actually wala pang 6 and 7 pa yung open gate, hindi pa start ng event. Hindi ko na masyadong excited. Wait. So yun lang update. And here nandito tayo sa Maserati. So yan, sasalukuyan ako naglalakad pa Buendia Station. I'm using the back camera. Hindi ko alam kung tama itong framing or anything, pero bahala na kayo sa buhay niyo. Bye everyone. So yan, podcast na po ako ng Buendia Station. Hindi ako sure if mag-MRT or pwede na-update ko kayo. Sira ba ako? Sino ba kayo?
Sirs, manatili mo nakawak sa mga safety handrails. Huwag mo natin sandalan na magkabilang bahagi ng pintuan.
At this point of time, I'm just glad na work from home kami. Hindi ko kailangan everyday may mag-6 sa MRT. But yeah, hindi ko nakakatawa experience. Wait. So currently, naglalakad tayo. I believe pwede ako sumakay ng jeep. But ayoko nun. That will ruin the experience. And gusto ko lang maglakad. So I'm here na, pero pipila muna ako dito or kakain muna ako dito sa site dahil mahaba pa yung linya, hindi pa nagpapasok sa loob. So yeah, halo-halo from Bebang Halo-Halo.
This is Autotelic Night. At ang bumuo ng Autotelic Night ay kami din magkakabanda. Dahil why Autotelic? Kasi yun yung laging tinatawag sa amin. Lagi sila nagkakamali sa pagkinig sa banda. At tinanggap na lang namin siya. Autotelic dapat pero naging Autotelic. So whatever. Gawin na lang natin siyang proud name.
It's okay, we got more sets for you guys. We got Ridley's, we got we got Overtober and we got all the tests. So thank you again Autotelic and 123 Block for organizing this event. So when I say okay lang yan, you guys say okay lang yan, okay ba? Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Sino ditong pagod? Galing trabaho. Sino pagod lang? Sino mga pagod lang? This first song is a song about love at first sight. Get your phones out. This next song, this first song is called Aphrodite. Terrifying strangers. There's something on the heart of this face. Can we sing one more song? I will beg. 10 years from now, we'll look back at the photographs, happy that we made it this far.
Ingat ha?
It's a hot night, but thanks for coming out.
Iba na yung katabi niyo.
Let's go. This one's called Yopsnap. You guys know what we sing.
I met you last night. Stars never shine that bright. We only got one love, share my two hearts beating, me and you.
kakatapos ng event. It's already 12:30, something like that. Yung oras. And yun na yun. Hindi ako sure kung nasa frame ako. And definitely wala akong video ng sarili kong mukha during the event dahil wala, in-enjoy ko na yung event. Actually, binidyohan ko yung mga artists pero nakalimutan kong harap ng camera on my face. Ngayon na lang ulit na natapos na. So, yeah, that was it. It's really awesome. Masaya ako. For sure, super saya. Medyo pagod lang dahil hindi ko alam, kumanta ako ng nagkalakas-lakas as if ako yung artist doon, hindi naman ako yung binayaran o pinuntahan ng mga tao there. And yeah, that was it. Yeah, so paalam na muna dahil hindi ako sure if safe mag-ganito-ganito here in Mandaluyong. But I guess safe naman siguro, pero just to be sure, paalam na. Bye-bye.